Okay, now the next process to create a query. Okay, the next process is again go to the create options, okay, then again go to the query area where you found the query design options. Okay, first for the first process we select the query wizard, and for the second process we select the query design option. Okay, click on it, query design option. After clicking the query design options, it will give this small dialog box. Okay, now there is written show table. That means here two tables are displayed. That means the tables that you have already created, the tables are displayed. First select these two tables. Okay, select this one and then add, click on the add button, then select the next one and click on the add button. Okay, now see, after adding this the two tables are selected. Okay, now we don't need this dialog box, so close it. Okay, now see here it will display the table and also it will display the relations between the table. Okay, you can move the table like this. Okay, now from here we create our query. Now in previous query we display the student roll number, then the student name and the marks of their subjects. Okay, now in this query I want to display from this table only the student roll number and their name, and from this table only the marks of English and marks of computer. Okay, so how can we do this? Okay, now in the below of this area there is given some options. Okay, here is given some options. Okay, first option is field, then table, then sort, then show, then the criteria. Okay, so today we discuss about the field, table, show and criteria. Okay, now first we select the table. Okay, so click on this row, click on this small button, it will display the tables. First I select the first table, that is student personal details. Okay, then I select the fields that you want to display. Now for the first I display the student roll number, and from the next column first select the table again and the next field, that is the student name. Okay, now from this table I want to display the English marks and the computer marks, not the math marks. Okay, only these two marks. Okay, so now from here select the table first, that is the student marks details table, and from here the field, that is English marks, and then again select the table, that is student marks, and our next table is, that is computer marks. Okay, so these are all that I want to display in my query, next query. Okay, now here in the options show there is given some small box and there is some tick mark. Okay, now if we select all the tick mark like this, that means it will display all the fields, that means that you have selected, the selected fields display in the result. Okay, now after that how can I run the query? Okay, so for run the query, go to the design options, okay, or the design tab. Now in the design tab there is given a run button, just click on it, click on the run button. Okay, after clicking the run button it will give you the result, that is student roll number, student name, English marks and the computer marks. Only the selected fields or the selected records are displayed. Okay, so this is the another way by which we can create our query. Now create our query. Okay, now here is, see, again I want to show the design view. Okay, just right click on the query and go to the design view. Okay, now if I deselect the student roll number show button, okay, now what is the result? Okay, what is the result means what is the difference? Okay, see, again run this and it will show the student name, English marks and the computer marks. That means in the show area, if you select all the tick mark, then all the fields are displayed, and if you deselect any field, the fields are not displayed in the result. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay.